Today I want to share my success story, revealing the secret most people they didn't know. It's about how quickly I was able to grow my mobile mechanic business to reach $1 million. And you will pick a lot of tips and tricks that will help me to progress in short amount of time. A couple years ago, after my second year being in the United States, I started asking people, let me fix their car for free. Back then, I didn't know anything about mobile mechanic. I thought I'm just going around, driving around and fix people's car because I didn't have a station. I didn't have a garage. I had an old car, 1992 Toyota Camry, that someone donated to my wife because I wasn't here. While working at the dealership during the week, I used my weekend and I was driving around doing the mobile mechanic that I didn't know it has a name or it exists as a business. After a year, I wasn't very successful until a friend of mine offered me a place. It's called Your Mechanic, the largest mobile mechanic company in North America. And I applied and I get accepted as a mid-tech. They were paying me $40 per hour, but I have to have my car, I pay insurance, gas, food, and basically take care of my expenses. At first, barely I made a couple $100 per month, but I was happy because I was learning the system and how they operate. Even my friend was earning $10 referral bonus after every job I was completing. I learned a lot from them, how to order parts, dealing with clients, and price the job. It was overwhelming at the first, but I bought new tools and I found a better way to manage my job during the day. After a couple months, I was able to manage all of my jobs in the same day, despite the driving distance and the difficulty communicating with the customer. And they liked my work. I know I did a lot of mistakes and I heard a lot of complaints about my job. I think that's normal when you deal with the clients. One day a client called and complained about my cleanness, and strangely I felt happy after they fired me. I know this setback would lead me a brighter future. After getting fired, I realized I know things most people don't know, like how to organize my work, how to order parts, where I have to order parts, how to price my job, how to deal with the small things during operation. But the main challenge was finding clients, and that's when I discovered Udemy. And I found the guy, his name is Isaac. He had a course to teach you how to run Google Ads. After finishing his course, it took me a month. I launched my first advertising campaign in my entire life. And the first day I spent $60 and I got 8 clients after that. And I was making $400, $500 per day cash. I was so happy. And I learned more about credit card processing, writing invoice through the Udemy. There is a lot of course in Udemy, you can check it out. I signed up for different CRM and card processing company, and I learned the importance of Google review. I opened my Google account, and now that Google account has almost 255 star review, and I didn't ask for a single one of them. They left reviews. It was tough juggling in these tasks, especially when my wife was against this job, because it was dirty, nasty job. I was coming home late and I didn't spend much time with my wife and my family. But in 2022, I had $1 million with 7 mechanic, fully equipped shop, house, couple of expensive cars, Tesla, trucks that I really wanted. We are so blessed now. I have multiple businesses like Airbnb, alteration, marketing agency. I'm selling book and I have this YouTube channel. I'm trying to make it grow, and with your help. Looking back, even though I didn't know how to speak English well, I turned myself into an entrepreneur in America. I'm grateful for everything that happened in my life. Every second of it made me who I am today. Hey friends, and I want to tell you something. Everything happened in your life has a purpose. Don't stuck in the same moment. Don't be old school and old-minded. Learn new stuff. Learn about new courses available for free or very cheap out there. If you have a business, if you have a small business like me, I started with nothing. I just had an old car, and I was praying that car runs more. But I learned about Google, I learned about advertising, I learned how to build website, I learned how to get reviews, I learned how to sign up with CRM, run my ads, get more clients, write invoice, create my logo. I learned all of them. It takes a lot of time, but it's essential for you if you run your small business. And don't worry that small business one day become big business, giant business as mine did. I've never thought I can have a big shop with 7 or 8 people working in it. I had people there answering the phone. I had people there going and fixing people's car, and I had people that were working in the shop. Don't underestimate the things that you have. Small businesses are the biggest chance you can grow in 2024. They make you money, I'm sure. Just stick to it, learn new technique, learn new stuff. You can grow your business if you implement. And there's a thing that I learned. If you have a competitor online, I learned this very important tip. Go and read the reviews. People not complaining about fixing their car. People not complaining about the issue with the car. People were complaining about this guy or that guy doesn't answer the phone. I realized if I answer the phone constantly and be on my phone, customer won't complain even if I don't fix their car. Read the review, understand the negative things and the things customer care about that job or their business, and fix that. That's a value, extra value for your clients. If you fix that other competitors cannot do it, or people they were complaining about your competitors, you will get the most of the customers and you will gain a lot of 5-star review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.